scariest boat ride ever. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Thailand episode. So today we are going to explore nearby beaches of Krabi. So let's get go.
Yeah, so first we had to take the towel, so which we taken from the
Our
hotel.
hotel, yeah.
100 baht per towel deposit. So when we'll return back, we'll get the deposit back. Now we are
And
going.
they have given this beach bag to carry the beach towels, some beach cream.
So now next step is getting the rented bike. So let's go. We got this scooty from this shop, 200 baht per day. So it's 24 hours. So our first stop is Shell Cemetery. This is 75 million years old.
We came to this 75 million years old shell cemetery in Krabi, which is actually a fossil site from shells accumulated here from millions and millions years old. So there are two fossil sites here, but apparently due to high tide time, so it's closed. But the ticket cost is 200 baht per adult, like foreigners. For Thailand locals, it's cheaper.
Don't know what is this, some fruit or something, but this looks.
Crescentia courgette.
Yes, he's just reading.
That's the name written there.
But this looks so fresh.
Batabi lebu.
Batabi lebu. I don't think that is Batabi lebu.
So while going from the shell cemetery towards our hotel, we just saw this huge Buddha.
Surrounding this, all these trees
Yeah,
and
it's
everything.
like popping up top of the hills. I am not sure how to go that side. We tried to come towards the Buddha, but somehow we ended up here, like in kind of a village. But it's looking so good. I think we'll see from here only.
Anyway, let's go for lunch.
Yeah, we are hungry. So we got out of the village and finally got a proper road which leads to this beautiful temple. Like, just look at this architecture, the Buddha with the goddess. It looks like Durga, and there's a huge giant tortoise, that golden one. Can you see? Yeah.
Pillar for 50 bucks. 55 baht. Do you have 50 baht? Exchange $100. Got 3,620. So we'll have our lunch today in this food court. So
Children come whenever you are hungry, so that's most of our life.
yeah.
So we should be here. One shrimp fried rice.
Chicken fried rice and shrimp fried rice for two is 200 baht. Have dessert, coconut ice cream. Again 100 baht. Everything is flat rate 100 baht.
It's actually a nice place. It's cheap and the food looks good, and there are so many options. Like literally, my mind is like, what to eat, what to eat, what to eat.
Overwhelming.
Yeah.
She's out of words now. Seeing so many food, she's so confused. She already ordered, but still she is confused.
So it's like a plain white rice with fried crispy chicken. It comes with a sauce, and the chicken pieces are actually really good. Like, it's crunchy on the outside, and the inside the chicken pieces are really tender. And once you mix it with the sauce, it gives you the spice. 100 baht. Good. Wow. We didn't get the coconut ice cream, so obviously the second choice was something mango. So we ordered a mango yogurt smoothie, and it cost us 70 baht, and it's like fresh squeezed mango with pure curd. It tastes as fresh as it sounds. Nu Phara Thara Beach.
Yeah. So then next stop is Nu Phara Thara Beach.
Nu Phara Thara Beach.
Yeah. So this looks like a pinkish color. Orange is pinkish. Let me show you.
So this is looking like a pink beach. It's full of corals actually, this beach. So if you're looking for a more local and secluded beach experience in Krabi, come to this Nu Phara Thara Beach. So this is really good. Like, we are trying to go to that point, because it's kind of looking like a sandbank there. So let's see. This beach is like one of the best beaches we have been to, and especially with this limestone cliffs just popping up out of the water from everywhere, like where eyes can see. It's literally a nice one. Do come visit this beach when you are in Krabi.
So now as you can see, now it is low tide. So
Yeah, come to the beaches like after 2 p.m.
Yeah.
during low tide and go back before the high tide comes.
So the Aonang beach was not accessible till now. Now it's low tide, so it is accessible. So we are now going to.
Like literally we are walking on the seaway actually.
Yeah.
Came from that side.
Yeah.
It retreated this much. Wow.
Low tide. If you can see, there are millions and millions of crabs are there. During low tide, it just popped out from the water. Millions. Do you like crab?
No.
So the relaxing massage, it was relaxing for her, not for me.
It was like one of the best foot massages I've ever done. Like, do come here.
And it was the worst for me.
It's not the fault of this store,
Basus,
right?
yeah. Fault of the customer. They were laughing and so much talking. I was not even able to relax a bit. We'll try again.
Cheers. So we just came at our hotel and right now we are having our green tea and enjoying this green view. Like literally we are getting obsessed with this view. 7 nights of this.
And after that, we'll freshen up. We'll go again to Aonang Beach. So there's supposed to be a fire show.
Fire show, yeah.
Fire show from 7:30 and 9:30.
Every day this happens at the beach. So not sure like where exactly, but we'll show you.
We'll show you.
This is our first time having the famous 7-Eleven toasty of Thailand. This is a pork sandwich. Let's see. Oh,
But it's so good.
it's so good. It's toasted, so the bread is toasted and crunchy. And inside, like I'm not feeling that it's a meat. Like I'm feeling that something sweet feeling is inside it.
Right now that fire show has been started. It's 7 o'clock.
Like normal public street watch.
This is exactly on the beach. We have came the same place in the evening for beer and snacks. So for snacks we have ordered fish cake,
Thai fish cake and mango sticky rice.
mango sticky,
Two staple of Thailand.
and I have taken the big one, Singha, for her, small one, Shank.
So here is the Thai fish cake. And after thousands of times we have eaten mango sticky rice, this is the first time this is coming into the vlog. So this is a coconut sauce and this is pure mango with the sticky rice, and it had some like that moong dal thing on top of it. So you just need to pour this coconut sauce on all over it. I'm already drooling because I know how it will taste. Bon appetit. This is heaven. I cannot describe the taste of it. You have to come to Thailand. This is the taste of Thailand for me.
So this is Thailand's original fish cake, Thai fish cake. We had that in our flight while coming to Bangkok. Thai Airways.
Yeah, they provided.
It was very nice.
So we are totally full and done for the day. Definitely a must recommended place when you are in Krabi. This has just opened a year back and it's like a very small community and all the food is so good. People are so nice. The washroom is so clean. They're doing a really good job. Today we are going to have a laid back Krabi day, explore some local beaches and might rent a scooty from our hotel as well.
And also we might visit Krabi town.
So let's go.
We are ready with our beach bags.
Okay, so apparently we don't need bike to go to the pier, because the pier which I thought it is little far, but from Aonang they have a different pier for Railly Beach. So that's 100 baht from here to Railly Beach. That's what our hotel receptionist told.
It is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Anytime you can take a long tail boat to the beach.
Long tail boat ticket to Railly Beach.
400 over time.
One, right?
Yes.
So return ticket 400. Sabunka. So 400 baht for 2 people. Return ticket from Aonang Beach to Railly Beach. So this is kind of a pier in Aonang Beach. They have lots of long tail boats. I guess we have to walk on the sand to get on the boat. So we got the go ahead for Railly Beach. So now we are heading towards the long tail boat. Not sure which one. We have reached. It took around 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. And this beach, this is Railly Beach, doesn't look that. It's a regular beach. Like
It looks good, but it's like how Aonang was.
Yeah.
Kind of same.
same.
Yeah.
So I am not so sure what is the point of coming here separately with 400 baht. One thing is that this is very secluded from Aonang Beach. Yeah, maybe that is one of the reasons. You will get less people, less tourists.
But this getting on and off boats is a task for me. Like getting off was good because it almost came to the beach, but while getting on from the Aonang beach, this is what happened. Like fully drenched.
Yeah, it's drenched. So we were wondering why this whole place was empty. Now we know.
Lots of monkeys.
Lots of monkeys on this tree. So this is the only
But
reason.
why people are walking to that, and
Yeah.
here we are, it's a nice perfect midpoint of the beach.
So
You
yeah,
know, don't be us.
let's go to the other place. Before swimming, we'll just have a small bites of this cake.
Panang flavor,
Panang
kind of
flavor.
matcha, I think. I think they
Yeah.
call matcha as Panang here. 7-Eleven cake.
7-Eleven
Just
cake.
the cream is so good actually. So soft. So good. I mean, cake is like the normal roll cakes which we were eating. It is whipped cream or whatever this is inside this. It tastes really good.
Now we are thinking of going back to Aonang Beach. As we said,
There are not much food options
Yeah.
here. So there are a couple of resorts and cafes, so it's kind of expensive compared to the town obviously. So we are thinking we'll go now before high tide comes.
yeah,
And then from once we go to hotel, maybe we'll rent a scooty.
Scooty. We might go to Krabi town.
Let's see
Let's see
how
how
the video goes.
Exactly. We don't know what all things we'll do.
And this is a no drone beach.
Yeah.
So that's right.
360 baby.
That's right, झंडा उठा के चलो. And the beach is nice. It's kind of slowly slanting, not
Yeah.
like
Good for dip.
non-swimmers.
Yeah. So for going back also, same rule. We need to wait for more people. So once the boat is full, then only we can go back to Aonang beach. We are just 2 people. Maybe they are waiting for 8 more people. So they were asking us previously 600 baht extra so that we don't have to wait. They'll take us to Aonang. After 20 minutes of waiting, they're now asking 400 baht so that they can take us, only both of us, to Aonang. Maybe after waiting for 20 more minutes, they might be asking 200 baht. So we'll wait until unless it is 0 extra baht. Then only we'll go, because we have all the time in the world. So after so much attitude from the boat riders, we decided that we'll not go now because people are actually coming now. They're not going. So going back, maybe they'll go 3 or 4 o'clock. We decided finally
So
we'll
we
stay back.
took the tickets back, be in Raleigh for at least for 3-4 hours and have some lunch here as well.
Yeah.
The riders, they were like, you know, you have to give 600 baht within 5 minutes, otherwise we will charge more. It doesn't feel good.
Yeah.
Anyways, we don't have anything to do going back to hotel. So we are like, okay, we will go when the people will go. We ordered 1 coco, 100 baht, 1 club sandwich, 250 baht, and 1 pesto pasta. How much was it?
280, so 270 maybe.
Yeah, something around like that. So whatever we were supposed to pay to that boat rider extra to go to the Aonang beach, we are feeding ourselves for that. So here comes my club sandwich and his pesto pasta. I think this is looking better.
Now it is 3 o'clock. We are trying our luck again to go to Aonang beach with the same ticket. This time we are accompanied with one more couple. They are also waiting with us.
And it's very, very windy right now.
Yeah, it's very windy. So we are jam-packed right now.
Finally got the boat. Scariest boat ride ever, like no kidding. Now I'm laughing, but I thought, okay, it's all started in Thailand and it's gonna end in Thailand.
So we are safe and sound almost. Now we are,
And wet.
yes, and now we are,
For 2 hours we literally dried ourselves, took a nice nap on the beach for this.
all gone to vain. Now we are going to hotel.
So
See.
they couldn't drop us off at that Aonang beach because of the
High
waves and high tide, and it's so windy. So they got us somewhere in the near the pier. I'm not sure where we are.
From here, our hotel is 1.7 kilometer. So they have all these small taxis. We might have to take this one to our hotel. So we have taken this taxi, tuk-tuk kind of thing, 100 baht for both of us to our hotel. And it's raining as well, so we have to take it there. Finally, in our swimming pool, both of our plan was to go to massage. Oh,
We forgot about Krabi Town.
Krabi Town.
We have told multiple times that we are going to rent a scooty and go to Krabi Town today. You
Yeah.
know how the video is going? We are just going with the flow.
Yeah, we are
and,
exhausted.
So after a long, scary day, we are now all freshen up, catching up on work, and he got some dinner for us, like tandoori chicken you got, right?
Tandoori chicken. Yeah, I'm the admin in our relationship, so I do all the work other than editing, which she does.
That's what you see, right?
Yeah.
That's important.
That's important.
Anyways, we will wrap up this video here. Do subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification for our whole world trip. Till then.
All then, friends.
So the drone doesn't have any injury, but I have this 2 drone cut from the propeller. On it is
Hopefully.
We are now Namkeen.